Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: an active Fisch account and ideas. First, pick a clear niche and define 3 content pillars so your feed has direction. Next, produce 3 short samples, 30 to 90 seconds or 1 to 2 page posts to show range. Once done, organize them into a single pitch folder labeled with your niche and metrics placeholders. This gets you into the pipeline faster and makes evaluations simple for reviewers. You'll now focus on building proof and visibility. Fill Fisch's creator form with a concise bio, 3 samples, and clear contact details. Explain why your niche matters. Then cross-post 2 samples on other platforms to generate initial engagement and save screenshots of likes, shares, and watch time. At the same time, engage on Fisch by commenting daily and following 10 creators in your niche. These actions demonstrate activity and audience potential. You're at the finish line. Act quickly on feedback. When Fisch reviewers reply, make requested revisions within 72 hours and resubmit. Be specific about changes so they see progress. Meanwhile, publish according to a 4-week calendar with 3 posts per week and 1 community update to maintain momentum. If you hit a rejection, ask for precise reasons, implement fixes, and resubmit with a short cover note that highlights changes. This targeted approach converts critiques into approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.